Hey everybody, welcome, it's Caitlin. Today I would like to show you our product, the valve assembly for you. If you're interested about this one, then follow me, let's see it together. And firstly, you can see here, this is the blue VC anti-rust bags, and they're printed with the one label. The product code here F00VC01384, support customized service. Now we will check the details for you. And inside the packaging, the plastic bottles can be better avoid damages during the transportation, and 1 layer oil paper to wrap it up. And for this one, the plug cable inject number is 0445110381. And this one you can see here with the coding figures and the QR code on this position. This is the valve rod and the valve cap. If you want to install the first step, I suggest that you should make sure the valve cap in the right position. And the second step is make sure the valve rod can be moved smoothly off the injector body. That's some small tips Caitlin for you. Alright, that's all the details. Thank you for watching. Bye.